Hello, and thank you for contacting Wave Support. From your support request, you noted that this patient has a nicely fitting left lens, and if you click on this RX window, you'll see that is a center distance bifocal lens. And if you look, you have a very nicely aligned back surface of the lens in regard to the green cornea line. So I would expect this lens to fit very nicely on this patient. If you look over at the right lens, you note that the right lens is rather flat centrally, causing some SPK, which may be affecting the acuity. And of course, you can see that here in the design where it's very flat. You have a central touch, and it lifts up in the outer area here. So to address this, you really want to just realign that back surface. Now, you noted in your support request that originally this lens was rather tight fitting, so I believe that's why this adjustment had been made. What I might recommend is switching over from axial over to tangential design by right-clicking the red printing in the center and choose tangential. Tangential will usually give you a little flatter peripheral area, about a half diopter flatter in general than an axial design. And then hit Tools and select Current Settings. That's going to redesign this lens in the tangential philosophy, creating a lens that's much more nicely aligned with that green cornea line. And then, of course, just to promote good tear exchange, I would click up on this pink dot about 4 or 5 clicks, and that'll get you a little bit of nice edge lift and some tear exchange. So I would expect this lens to fit more nicely on the eye with less potential for central SPK, and you might even find that this lens performs a little bit better optically. I hope you find that helpful. I wish you well with this case, and thank you for contacting Wave Support.